How to design a sprinkler system. If you want specific areas of your yard to be automatically watered each day, designing a sprinkler system can help you figure out where to start and how to get it done. By installing the sprinkler system yourself, you can save 30–40% of the cost a contractor would charge to do it for you. Here is how to design a sprinkler system. Things you will need: pen or pencil, graph paper, large bucket with measurements on the side, pressure gauge, internet connection. Measure the water pressure from the water source you will use for your sprinkler system. To do this, use a pressure gauge. You can buy one at your local home improvement store. Write down the water pressure measurement. Measure the amount of water that comes out per minute by filling up a bucket that has measurements on the side. Let the water run in the bucket for 1 minute, then write down the water height measurement. This information is important to know when designing a sprinkler system. Go to http://www.rainbird.com/design/index.htm and download and complete Rainbird's homeowner sprinkler system design request form. Link is listed in resources below for your convenience. On a piece of graph paper, draw a scale drawing of the property you want to install the sprinkler system on. Make sure you mark areas that need more watering than others. Send the measurements, the form and the scale drawing to Rainbird Do-It-Yourself Irrigation. Contact information and resource links listed below. Rainbird will send you a layout of a proposed sprinkler system along with a detailed materials list. Rainbird's sprinkler system design package will include the following: color-coded sprinkler head placement and spray patterns, color-coded layout of zones, valves, pipe, timer and wire, a valve-by-valve parts list for easy installation, an itemized shopping list of all the parts you will need. After you receive the outdoor sprinkler system design package, go to http://www.rainbird.com/DIY/design/install guide.htm and follow the directions on how to install the sprinkler system. Link is listed in resources below for your convenience. Tips Warnings. If you want to receive the sprinkler system layout faster, you can pay a fee of $29.95 to have it sent to you within 7 business days or $49.95 to have it sent to you within 3 business days. There are many sprinkler system manufacturers that will send you a proposed design for your sprinkler system. Rainbird is only one example of the manufacturers you can choose from. I mention Rainbird in this article because they have great service and outstanding online resources.